Today we are going to take pictures of the streets around Jakarta, and it's still raining now. We'll see what we get. Check this out. After running, it's quite fun to capture the street. Now around the Sudirman, while waiting for the night, we'll see what we get. Stay tuned. By nightfall, it's time to prepare for the night shoot. I will make long exposure photos. Let's go. It's a wrap. Our hunting for today is over. Hope it inspires. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, please write them in the comment below. Enjoy!